Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good. Uh, for my use case, I have used StatsGuru. StatsGuru is a ESPN Cricinfo's searchable cricket statistics database, and here you can query data for test matches, ODI or T20 matches for batting, bowling, or maybe fielding. Uh, but for me, I am more interested in ODI cricket data. So I will be selecting ODI here, and then I will be going to betting data. And here I need to fetch data from 2001 to 2019. So I will be putting few filters here. Yeah, from 2001 to 2019. And then I need innings by innings list. So I will be selecting this radio button and I will submit a query. So once I submit a query, I will get few records for it. Yeah. Uh, yeah, so we have 56,484 records, and it's a huge amount of data. So what we will be doing, we will be scraping this entire data to our local machine. So I am using Python script, and for that I have used like few libraries, and like one of the library is like Beautiful Soup, which can be used for scraping your data. But for that you need to have like little bit knowledge on HTML, so how this web page has been designed. So I will just go to inspect element. You can right click and go to inspect element. So as you can see, here is a body tag, so where my this code has been written. And then we have few div tags are there. So div tag is used to describe a particular section on that web page. Yeah, inside this div tag we have mm, yeah, there is one more div tag, and so we are interested in this section. So after that, yeah, yeah, as you can see, so there are four table tags. So we are interested in this third table, as our data is in this third table. So as you can see, the caption is innings by innings list, and this is yeah, this is the heading part. So where we have defined all the column names, and then inside this body we again have this tr tag, so which is having like so each tr tag like represents one row. So here we can see all the data here with the help of td tag. Yeah, so once you locate the data, then you can so I have written the logic in the Python script, and you can like reach out to me on LinkedIn. I have put that same in the blog also, if you need that code or if you have any like queries for the same. Yeah, so once we are done with the scraping part, then I have exported it to CSV file. So I will just show how my data looks like now. Yeah, so this is how my data looks like. We have batsmen, runs, minutes, balls, fours, sixes, yeah, in this CSV file. And now once we have the data, so in the next blog I have like written how we can analyze this data, and we can answer few questions like how batting has changed in ODI from 2001 to 2019, be in terms of runs being scored or sixes hit, or like number of centuries are like getting hit in a particular year. So we have done our analysis year by year, how the trend is changing. So you can check that block out. And yeah, so this is it from my side. Yeah, thank you.